All right. So last class we have studied subject, verb, clause, all of those things. You guys know what is subject, name, place, animal or thing. You know verb is an action word. Clause
Yes,
is
ma'am.
any part of sentence which has a subject and a verb. There are two types of clause, independent and dependent clause. Now आपने ये सारी चीजें बहुत amazing way में याद किया है. So now this next part of your class is going to be super easy. Okay, I hope आपने ये सारी चीजें अपने नोटबुक में लिखा है, because this notes is supposed to be there. Not all of this, please wait. Now next we are going to start with simple, complex and compound sentences. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now that आपको
Ma'am, this
sorry, independent
ma'am, this
independent
all
clause आता
sentences
है.
is no, ma'am, is complete done for us, ma'am. Explained.
Very good. If Taranu ma'am has explained, then your extra practice. Okay, perfect. Okay, other people don't know now, so we'll do this. So we are going to do simple sentence, compound and complex sentence. ठीक है? Sentences are of three types: simple, compound, complex. And now we are going to see इसमें difference क्या है. सबसे पहले simple sentence. ठीक है? Simple sentence एक normal sentence है जिसमें independent clause होता है. Independent clause यानी what type of sentence? Independent clause यानी what type of sentence?
One subject, one subject, one
Complete
complete
sentence. Okay.
Complete
So
sentence.
independent clause yani you will underline in your notebook and write complete sentence.
Complete sentence.
Okay. So take a picture of this. So simple sentences are a completed thought. एकदम अच्छे से sense बनाता है वो. उसमें एक ही subject होता है और एक ही verb होता है. ठीक है? Okay. So you will write down this one in your notebooks. That independent sentences are simple sentences. It is complete. It is a completed thought. उसमें मतलब कोई sense बनता है, कोई meaning बनता है. ठीक है? Taken the screenshot, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm over.
Over. So when we say there is only one subject and one verb, you know that verb can be compound verbs or compound subjects also. Okay. We'll tell you examples of that. First of all, example of simple sentence is this. Grace opened the door. Grace is the subject. You all know how to identify subject, right?
Yes,
Opened is the
Yes, ma'am.
opened is the
Verb.
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 Okay? This is example of simple sentence.
Subject.
Now, in simple sentences, there can be compound subject also. ठीक है? अगर एक सेंटेंस है जिसमें देखो यहाँ पे आपको लगेगा कि दो दो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, कि टेबल भी सब्जेक्ट है और चेयर भी सब्जेक्ट है, बट यहाँ पे इनको साथ में लिखा हुआ है ना, द टेबल एंड चेयर्स नीड टू बी क्लीन्ड. ये सेंटेंस ऐसा नहीं है, द टेबल नीड्स टू बी cleaned and the chairs too. ठीक है?
No, ma'am.
This sentence is different from this sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes. So first वाला जो sentence है, this is not a simple sentence, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग subject है. ठीक है? And the second sentence which is over here is a simple sentence because यहाँ पे subject, even if there are two subjects, it is written together. So we call it a compound subject. Okay. So whenever you see a sentence like this and you say, oh ma'am, there are two subjects, आपको ये देखना है कि are the two subjects together? क्या वो साथ में है या वो दोनों subjects अलग अलग है? Okay. Is this clear? Give me a thumbs up. You all understood? Understood this part? All of you, Simran, Amanullah? I'm not seeing thumbs up from you. I don't know अगर आप सुन रहे हो कि नहीं. All right, I've got thumbs up from everyone. Please take a screenshot of this in 1 minute. So you will write, this is not a simple sentence. एंड यहाँ पे लिखोगे दिस इज अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. एंड यहाँ पे आप इस चीज को अंडरलाइन करके यू विल राइट कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो. ठीक है गाइज, आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप लोग प्लीज अपना नोट्स टाइम पे फिनिश करो, नहीं तो एक साथ पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. आई होप यू आर ऑल राइटिंग योर नोट्स. स्क्रीनशॉट्स डिलीट करो क्योंकि आपका फोन का मेमोरी खत्म हो जाएगा नहीं तो. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस इन 3, 2, 1. Clear. Okay, I hope you've taken the screenshot. Next, this is also an example of simple sentence, लेकिन यहाँ पे compound verb है. ठीक है, verb यानी smile भी है और nodded भी है. nod करना मतलब सर हिलाना. Okay, and it is separated by one and over here. ठीक है, ये sentence आप लिखोगे simple sentence करके. This part and not a simple sentence. Like you'll write like this, and I'm giving you the same type of example. Okay, can actually somebody come off mute and tell me कि अगर ये sentence एक different way में होता तो कैसे होता? Anybody can try? Okay, let me tell you. The boy smiled and the boy nodded, and he nodded. Okay, got it? यहाँ पे अगर हमने लिखा है the boy smiled, ये एक verb है, and he nodded, ये दूसरा verb है. Okay, but now if you are writing the boy smiled and nodded, these two verbs are coming together, so it is a compound verb. So this will also be a simple sentence. हम इसको एक ही मानेंगे. So like all simple sentence will have one subject and one verb. Okay, is this clear to you? Give me a thumbs up. Take your screenshots in 3, 2, 1.
Over.
Very good. Okay, next, this one. The scared children ran away from the spooky house. Okay, so what is the subject here, guys? What is the subject here? किसके बारे में है ये sentence? Who can tell me?
Children.
Ma'am, I tell ma'am.
Children. Okay, so this is our subject, or children is our subject. I'm gonna underline this, and this is our subject. What is our verb?
Ma'am, smoky house also is subject, ma'am.
Ma'am, smiling.
Smiling.
Run. Ma'am, smoky house is subject.
Spooky house is subject. Okay, but is that pura sentence, is it talking about spooky house or is it talking about children?
Yes, ma'am.
They're talking about children.
Children, ma'am.
Yes. So this won't be the subject because they're talking about children. Subject, guys, see. अगर आप बोलोगे spooky house is a subject, that will be wrong. क्योंकि ये जो sentence है, it is not talking about spooky house. It is talking about children. ठीक है? अगर ये children दो जगह पर आया होता, then that would have been not a simple sentence. Okay, what is the verb here? What is our verb? What is verb?
Ran away.
Ran away is the verb. Very good. This is a simple sentence. Spooky house is not a subject. Okay. Now we'll see the next type. Okay, there are a few more examples. Children, the scared children. This is the subject and this is the verb. Now we're going to see the compound sentence. Somebody is not on mute. I would request everybody to be on mute. Check your red button. Thank you. Now we are looking at compound sentence. You all understood simple sentence. ठीक है? It's a normal independent sentence या independent clause. जो complete sentence है, it has one subject, one verb. वो सब्जेक्ट जो है वो कंपाउंड भी हो सकता है और वो वर्ब है वो भी कंपाउंड हो सकता है. नाउ वी आर डूइंग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. ओके, there are two or more independent clause, okay, in a compound sentence. So यानी एक compound sentence में दो छोटे छोटे sentences, complete sentences होंगे. आपको पता है ना, independent यानी complete sentences. ठीक है, तो एक ही अगर sentence में दो छोटे छोटे sentences हैं, then it is a independent, sorry, it is a compound sentence. आप कैसे identify करोगे? यहाँ पे दो सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे और दो verbs होंगे. There'll be two subjects and there'll be two verbs plus बीच में एक conjunction होगा. Do you know what is a conjunction? What is a conjunction? Can you guys tell me what is a conjunction? Yes, Rahmat? Rahmat, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, one sentence that conjunction will make ma'am, that will join that sentence. ma'am.
Yes, very good. Join. Okay, so conjunctions will, you will write like this, conjunctions will join
Ma'am, that
two
ma'am, that
sentences.
writing, no, not seeing that.
Okay, nobody can see it. I'll write it on top then. I'll write it on top so that it's easier for you. आप coordinating conjunctions आप ऐसे ही लिखोगे, ठीक है? इस तरह से two or more independent clauses, यानी दो पूरे complete sentences. For example, अगर मैं बोलूं the dog is brown. Is this a simple sentence? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a
Yes, ma'am.
dependent clause or independent clause? Dependent clause है या independent clause है ये?
Independent.
Independent.
Independent
Ma'am,
clause.
independent.
Okay. The dog is brown. The dog is cute. What about this? This is also simple
Independent.
sentence, independent clause.
Independent.
अगर इसका मुझे compound sentence बनाना है, that will be the dog is brown
Is brown and the dog is cute.
and cute. And cute and he is cute. ठीक है, अगर मैं लिखूं the dog is brown and cute, so no, the dog is brown and he is cute. ठीक है, this will be your compound sentence. क्योंकि इसमें the dog is brown जो है वो भी एक independent clause है, वो अपने आप भी, if you are writing it separately, it is making sense. अगर आप he is cute को भी अलग से लिखते हो, that also makes sense. ठीक है, if you write the dog is brown and cute, that is like a compound this thing, so it won't be considered a compound sentence, it will be considered simple sentence. Difference समझ में आ रहा है? The dog is brown is also one simple sentence, he is cute is also simple sentence. ठीक है, तो आप coordinating conjunction आप इसको इस तरह लिखोगे, subject verb plus subject verb. Coordinating conjunction में एक arrow डालोगे और मतलब ये plus sign में you will make a arrow and you will write coordinating conjunction, and another arrow you will put and you will write conjunction joins two sentences. We are going to see कि कौन से conjunctions होते हैं, क्या conjunctions होते हैं, ठीक है? Take a screenshot of this, please. This is example also, where there are two simple sentences and this is compound. This is simple sentence, this is compound sentence, okay? तो आप इसको इस तरह से लिखोगे. All right, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds, 3 to take a screenshot, 2, 1.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, next. अभी आप सोचोगे कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं मैम, हम कंजंक्शंस कैसे पता करें, व्हाट आर दीज कंजंक्शंस दैट वी आर सपोज्ड टू यूज. सो यू विल रिमेंबर द कंजंक्शंस बाय दिस वर्ड, फैन बॉयज. ओके,
Fan boys.
yes, fan boys for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. ठीक है. So the dog is brown and he is cute. इसमें what is the conjunction guys?
Yeah, and
And is the
And.
conjunction. Okay. So अगर
And.
आपको and की जगह ये लिखना है, the dog is brown so he is cute. वो brown है इसलिए वो cute है. ठीक है, so भी आप लगा सकते हो,
Yes, ma'am.
आप but भी लगा सकते हो. वो brown है फिर भी वो cute है, but dog is brown and cute. dog brown भी है cute भी है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप 3 conjunctions लगा के इस बना सकते हो. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so take a screenshot of this and I want you to remember fanboys for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay, this way you will never ever forget कि क्या है ये fanboys. ठीक है, or what is the full
Okay,
form.
ma'am.
So take a screenshot. Now there are 2 sentences, simple sentences given here. Grace opened the door. She looked outside. Can somebody convert this into a compound sentence? What can you add to make it a compound sentence? What should you do? Anyone?
And she looked outside.
Very good. Grace opened the door and she looked outside. So let's see the correct answer. Okay, they've put
Okay, ma'am.
and in between. ठीक है, so please take a screenshot of this. This is a compound sentence. तो आप
Yes,
लोग
ma'am,
इसको
yes.
कैसे लिखोगे? You will write 2 separate sentences and then you will write बीच में and. ठीक है, तो 2 बार लिखोगे, एक without and
Ma'am,
लिखोगे,
please.
एक with and लिखोगे. Yes. Okay, next. So do you see that in a compound sentence there are 2 simple sentences, मतलब there are 2 subjects. ठीक है, ग्रेस ही है सब्जेक्ट क्योंकि ग्रेस के ही बारे में बात हो रही है, लेकिन
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
जगह पर उसको ग्रेस बोल रहे हैं, एक जगह पर शी बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो सब्जेक्ट
Okay.
इसमें सेम ही है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग, बट उसको अलग अलग जगह पे बोला गया है. शी इज अ प्रीपोजिशन.
ma'am.
ठीक है, सॉरी, प्रोनाउन, नॉट अ
Okay.
प्रीपोजिशन. शी इज अ प्रोनाउन. ये नाउन है ग्रेस, नाउन की जगह पर शी लगा रहे हैं तो इट्स अ प्रोनाउन. ठीक है, so this is a subject and verb. यहाँ पर भी एक subject and verb. Easy? Easy all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, fanboy भी
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, I'm
Fanboys भी है, यहाँ पे एक and भी है. Very good. Okay? Perfect. Now यहाँ पर आपको मैंने 4 sentences लिखा हुआ है. आपको बस all these are simple sentences, right? I don't like it. Is that a dependent clause or independent clause?
Independent.
Independent clause.
Independent.
Okay? All these are independent clause. I met, have I met Susan? I wasn't tired. I took an umbrella. It was raining. It was late. All these are independent clauses. ठीक है? अभी आपको यहाँ पे fanboys use करके you have to write something in between so that it becomes a compound sentence. I'm giving you 1 minute to do this. In your notebooks only you can write the answer, or the chat box also you can write. 4 words you have to write and give me. Be on mute all of you. Okay, so first one is I am good at swimming but I don't like it. Whenever आपको question में आएगा convert these simple sentences into compound sentence. इसमें कैसे questions आते हैं? They'll give you 2 simple sentences and they'll ask you to make it into a compound sentence. Or they will ask you to identify which one is simple sentence, which one is compound sentence. Okay? So you are supposed to use the correct conjunctions from fanboys to use. If you write, I am good at swimming and I don't like it, it doesn't make sense क्योंकि मैं अच्छी हूँ swimming में फिर भी मुझे पसंद नहीं है. So that's supposed to be but. Okay? ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पे एंड सो कुछ नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल आस्क फकरुद्दीन टू आंसर. Sorry, it was raining and I took an umbrella. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
others will not come here. But I took, or I took, yet I took. ये सब नहीं आएगा. Okay, next one. Amanullah, come off mute.
Ma'am, but
Amanullah,
yes, ma'am.
it was late. What can you put here?
But
It was late, but I was tired. I wasn't tired. Very good. Anything else?
So,
So it was late, so I wasn't tired. That doesn't
No,
make
ma'am.
sense.
Or
Or it was late, or I wasn't tired. Think. There can be
No.
one more.
ma'am, 8.
Yet. Okay, you can put yet. It was late, but I wasn't tired. It was late, yet I wasn't tired. Late था, फिर भी मैं tired नहीं था. ठीक है? All right. Last one. I think Aftab. Aftab, come off mute.
Ma'am, but
Huh? Yes, Aftab.
ma'am, but
Say the whole sentence, no?
I have not missed seconds, but I missed us. So
Susan.
sir.
I have not met
Susan.
Steve, but have I met Susan? Or like is supposed to be I have met. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
It's supposed
Yes,
to be I
ma'am.
have met. Its sentence is wrong. So please आप जब लिखोगे I को इधर और have को इधर लिखना. ठीक है? All right, perfect. You can take a screenshot here. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm so happy to see that some students are putting answers on the chat box and not getting angry. Okay, oh sorry. This last one may you can write this also, nor also. Okay, but you know the answers, don't look at this. You've taken a screenshot. So आपने जो screenshot लिया है, that is enough. Okay, next one is complex sentences. Last part, okay. A complex sentence has a independent clause plus a dependent clause. So do you see how it is? Simple sentence mein there is only one independent clause. Compound sentence mein there are two independent clause. And in complex sentence एक independent clause, एक dependent clause. ठीक है? Understood? Is this easy? Yes or no? Can some of you please turn
Yes,
your
ma'am.
videos on?
yes, ma'am.
Since आपको पता है dependent and independent clause, अभी आप लोग simple, compound and complex sentence easily separate कर सकते हो. ठीक है? आपको पता है कि अगर एक sentence है जिसमें आधा sentence is making sense on its own, other half does not make sense on its own, then it is a complex sentence. Okay? In a dependent clause, complete subject or verb and all won't be there. Or even if it is there, it is not making sense on its own. For example, when he won the award, everyone cheered. Okay? So this part, please be on mute, all of you. The first part is what? Dependent and independent?
Dependent.
Dependent. First one is incomplete sentence. It is dependent. Okay, it is written here also. Everyone cheered. Everyone cheered. C-H-E-E-R-E-D.
Hi, ma'am.
Everyone cheered. Is this a complete? Is this a complete sentence? Everyone cheered.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, complete.
Is there a subject? Is there a subject? What is the subject in everyone cheered?
Ma'am, everyone is subject.
And what is the verb?
Ma'am, cheer.
Cheered.
Cheer, ma'am.
Of course. Everyone cheered में subject भी है, verb भी है. अगर मैं बोलूं everybody cheered, तो क्या आपको समझ में आएगा?
No, ma'am.
क्यों? सबने cheer किया. It is making sense, no? It does not need 10 different sentences to make sense. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone cheered is a complete sentence. It is independent clause. Okay, and this one is dependent clause. तो यहाँ पे एक dependent और एक independent clause है. Ashwini, be on mute. That means this is a complex sentence. Okay. Okay. So you can take a screenshot here. Underline this and you have to write dependent clause. Okay. Is this clear to all of you? In simple
Yes.
sentence, one independent clause. In compound sentence, how many independent clause? In compound sentence, how many independent clause? I'm asking.
Ma'am, 2.
2. And in complex sentence, one independent and one dependent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
So यहाँ पे this is the subject and this is the verb. In this also if there is a subject and verb, it doesn't matter.
Verb.
ठीक है? You need to know कि सारे जो dependent clause है, it starts with words like since, when, now, although, because. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is
Okay,
starting
ma'am.
with some
Okay,
words like
ma'am.
this.
This.
You all know this already. Okay, next example is also there. I took my umbrella because it was raining. Okay, आपको लगेगा कि ये एक complex sentence है because यहाँ पे एक because से join किया हुआ है दो sentence. But why do you think this is a complex sentence and not a compound sentence? यहाँ पर भी एक conjunction है. Is because a conjunction?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this one a compound sentence, guys? And why is it not, sorry, why is this a complex sentence and not a compound sentence? क्या difference है यहाँ पे? हमने अभी एक word सीखा ना? That starts with F.
For.
Tell me the whole thing. Tell me the whole word. Aftab.
Ma'am, for.
Not for. उसके आगे क्या है? F-A.
Fanboys.
Fanboys. आपने अभी fanboys सीखा ना? You've learned fanboys.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
यहाँ पे जो be है, it is but, not because. Okay? So only fanboy words are used as conjunctions. Okay? यहाँ पे because आया है. I told you dependent clauses starts with because, since, when, all those things, right? So this becomes a dependent clause. This is not a conjunction. Because is not a conjunction. Okay? Only fanboy words. I took my umbrella. Since भी अगर आप लगाओगे, it's not a complex sentence. It was raining and I took my umbrella होता, तो it is a compound sentence. But यहाँ पे because आया है, that is why it is a complex sentence. Is that clear to all of you? Give me a thumbs up if that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear to everybody. Any doubts here? I can see that. Okay. Because it was raining, I took my umbrella. यहाँ पे ये dependent clause है. So this is also a complex sentence. Okay. You guys can take a screenshot. यहाँ पे please last word is missing. So you have to write G last में and A यहाँ पे. ठीक है? Take a screenshot in 3, 2, 1. So now we are going to identify which one is complete, which one is simple, and which one is complex. Okay. Carl knew lots about monkeys. What is this? Is this simple sentence, compound? On the chat box, you have to tell me. don't come off mute. First sentence, second and third. So first one, tell me, Carl knew lots about monkeys. Simple, compound, complex. Which one is it? On the chat box, please. Okay, I got answer from Mubashira. In the first one, go on mute, all of you, please. Aftab. Carl is the subject. Monkeys is not the subject because the sentence is talking about Carl and not monkeys. Even though monkey noun है, वो हमारा subject नहीं है. Subject is the main जो जिस चीज के बारे में बात करें, and that is Carl. Verb is new. This is one whole sentence. ये एक पूरा जो sentence है, it is just independent. कोई dependent sentence नहीं है यहाँ पे. Fan boys वाला कोई word भी नहीं है. So that means it is a simple sentence. Okay. Second one, although Matt was running late, he seemed relaxed. On the chat box, simple, compound, complex. First step identify करने के लिए आपको देखना है कि क्या ये simple sentence है. Simple sentence तो आप ऐसे ही identify कर सकते हो ना, एक simple line होगा वो. ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक simple line नहीं है, यहाँ पे comma वमा सब लगाया है. Second step आपका ये है देखना कि क्या यहाँ पे fan boys वाला word है. क्या यहाँ पे फैन बॉयज वाला कोई भी वर्ड है?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
तो यानी ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंस नहीं है. अभी हमें कंफर्म करना है कि ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है या नहीं. तो उसके लिए आप ये सेंटेंस को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करोगे, एक कॉमा से पहले, एक कॉमा के बाद. ओके. Although Matt was running late. This is कौन सा टाइप ऑफ क्लॉज? What clause is this? Although Matt was running late. Is this independent clause? Is this a complete sentence? Although Matt was running late, क्या ये complete sentence है?
No, ma'am.
No. This is an incomplete sentence. So what clause is it?
Dependent clause.
Okay, so this is dependent clause. Okay. And the next one, he seemed relaxed. This is an independent clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अगर एक भी dependent clause है sentence में, then what kind of sentence is it?
Complex.
Complex. अगर एक भी dependent है, so it is a complex sentence. ठीक है. So first step देखो कि simple sentence है क्या? नहीं है. Check for fanboys. वो भी नहीं है. फिर check for dependent clause. Dependent clause है मतलब complex. Okay. Last one. He was hungry, so he ate. Is this a simple sentence?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is.
No ma'am.
Simple sentence तो नहीं है. Okay, fine. It is not a simple sentence because comma आ गया. Simple sentences में से commas नहीं आते. It is one straight line. Yes.
Ma'am, it have so it is compound.
It is compound. And what is the word that is used here? What is the conjunction?
So.
So is the conjunction. There are
Yes,
two
ma'am.
things, and there is a fanboys word here, which is so.
So
Yes, this is a compound sentence. Okay.
okay ma'am.
Now you understood the difference
Okay.
between all? Take a screenshot
ma'am.
here, please. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I will give you guys a few questions as homework that you guys will do in your home because we can't practice
Okay.
it right now. Okay. 1 second. Let me pause and I have to.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
your homework is these 5
Yes, ma'am.
sentences. You have to identify if it is simple, complex, compound. आप इसी तरह अपने notebook में लिखोगे and you will pencil से tick mark if it is simple, compound or complex. Okay. Tomorrow we will only do the answers for 5 minutes quickly and then I will teach you science. But
Okay.
I want you guys to send me a picture of this homework by today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to
Okay,
send me a picture by today. I think 6 o'clock tak you take time. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you need to send me a picture on WhatsApp. I will check. If you don't send it, then your points will be cut.
Okay, ma'am.
Or I will cut your marks directly from your FA. Okay. That's it. I hope. ये 5 का आंसर आप मुझे भेजोगे आज. आप लोगों ने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.